Oh my gosh, don't hate. It's 6:30 in the morning. We've been up for probably like an hour. It is time to roll out to Subiefest. Rolling time's like 7:30. And we have like 5, 6 Subarus with us. Yes, and they're meeting with like, I guess like a couple more. And here goes Alec. Sorry neighbors, sorry. We are totally lost.
Fucking sick, dude. Yeah. Time to shine, bitches.
Well, we made it. Main entrance, car show, autocross competitors, and vendors. Let's do autocross. Oh my god, look at all the Subarus. Wow. Wow. Don't ever. Look at those things. Freaking buggies. We Subi gang out here. Boy, we made it here, parked in the show lot. I already hear some music going on. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the place, all the vendors and everything. Today's gonna be a good day. Hope you enjoy the video. All right, so I just wanna know, how did I get stuck with the wheels?
Because you're a bitch. Pretty good. Good foot.
Alex, what are you doing?
Ready?
Oh, he got the beat down.
That's
he
the
got
dance,
the beat.
dog.
Is that the
That's
shuffle?
The dance. That's the shuffle dance.
All right, Alex, can you tell us what we're gonna do?
I'm gonna end up at the autocross, and my flare's gonna fly off and hit you in the face. And that's
Oh, like the last time we raced?
Exactly.
Oh my God, what is happening
going
here?
in, man. I'm going straight in. I'm going straight in.
Ready? This is the new style.
Just in case you need an extra piston. Dude, Subaru is just out here killing it with these cars today.
That's what you want, right?
Yeah, 22B. Holy shit, and they've got like their time attack car here, whatever this is. Wow, look at all these.
Look at all those chickens.
Look at them all. This is the Type R. Oh my gosh, is that Nardo? That's sick. All right, we are in the vendor section. We got Cobb right here. We got some pretty sweet built cars coming up. Check those out.
This is the one.
That's the one.
You want to walk down and then?
Yeah. We can make you buy a Subaru for sure. Holy shit. Dude, that car has enough splitters for like 3 different cars. Damn. So much downforce. Side dump. That's sick. Huge wing. Wow. That is crazy. It is like 5 feet.
This is the biggest wing I've ever seen.
That's, yeah, it's the biggest.
No question. I mean, like, it's just. Do you see the size?
That's crazy.
You don't need that much.
I like these colors right here. Sick. Alright, I just gotta point out, those are some good numbers right there.
So opposite.
That's insane.
Like coming down here, just went east. Yeah. It wasn't too bad. I mean, I got to get to the shop by 5:30 though. So I had to sleep somewhat.
So here's a lot of the vendors. It just goes on and on. It's pretty awesome. That's sick. Just gonna react this whole thing.
React the entire thing.
Tommy just pulled up.
Go.
He just pulled up.
I just made it to Subiefest 2018.
Whoa!
What do you guys think of my new car?
No, what do we think?
No.
What do we think? Show them around. Show them around.
Should I get rid of the Audi for this?
Yes.
2015 up STI, what do we think?
Yes.
Let me know in
You
the
need
comments
it.
below, because I'm actually considering this.
No, do it.
I might have to.
Because this is the one that you would have to get.
This is the one.
Yeah.
STI though, so you can't get a WRX.
That's disrespectful.
Yeah.
That is
just because you have a WRX. Alright, so now it's time for me to check out what I really came here to see, which is all the autocross that's going on. Watch it. So we found Alex's competition. Oh, and he's got the wheels.
They're not that sound.
Oh. Better seats. He's flared. He has a big wing.
So I lost.
I think we might have.
You get biggest.
I don't know.
So okay, I had it in the bag for a second.
So Subaru brought their WRC cars out. Gotta check these.
15% discount for anybody at the show.
What's going on with that
If you
door?
need a special access code though, so head to the headers booth.
That's weird.
Get your access code for 15% off. Subimods is here today. Subimods came all the way from Connecticut. That's on the other side of the entire
Amazing.
country.
All in the
and
trunk.
they have hauled with them tons of great products.
This is sweet.
They don't want to haul them back, so they have discounted deeply the prices of everything they've.
This is super clean. I've already looked at this car like 10 times, but I didn't notice
Get over that.
this
It's just
diffuser.
that.
You can't even see really, but it's just gnarly.
It's so nice.
It goes like all the way. This wing is insane.
With the side exit. Exhaust.
It's incredible. This one's super clean. This color is insane.
That's stock, bro.
Stock color.
Java Black Pearl.
There's a little coffee bean in there.
Little coffee.
Nice wheels, blue cage, big wing. It's just like what not to like about it.
Our turbo mod category gets fairly quick here. Second place in turbo modified, 32.157 second fastest trip through the autocross course. We refund your entry into the car show. It's a $40 value. We just give you your money back. We're like, thanks so much, your second place, pretty good. If you come in first place, we refund your entry fee and you get a trophy. So pretty good. First place, you get the refund and you get the trophy. Second place, still pretty good. These are nice trophies though. Okay, we have several categories. We'll go through second and first place in each of these categories. Again, when you win, please bring your ID up with you. place in our 06-07 Impreza category,
Okay, this better be you.
Alexander Vargas. First place in our 06-07 Impreza category, Andy Kuo. Andy Kuo.
So as you guys saw, Alex got second place in his category, which is awesome. I'm gonna show you the car that got first place. It's a little bit different than his. All right, so this is it right here. So let's see what he's got. Carbon hood. I think that's the Veris bumper. It's an STI. Oh, he's got a cage. All right, well that makes sense.
Wow.
Wow.
To end it here, like it's done. Like that's
It's a great day.
I don't get. All I get is a little fucking certificate and a picture. That's all I get. But it's okay. You get a trophy.
Next year, first place.
Next year, we're going for first place.
No trophy.
It's okay.
I'm gonna win Best Evo next year.
Whoa! Well, after a short nap in the car, we are gonna go take some photos now up at Angel's Crest again, try to catch the sunlight at a better time, and go up the mountain a little more. But overall, I really enjoyed Subiefest. I kind of want to come to it next year. I think it was a really good show. A lot of cool cars there, and Subaru brings some pretty unique cars like the 22B and their WRC cars. So that's pretty cool to see those, as well as they do an autocross, which is awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. I don't know if this is the end or not. I'm gonna try and get some footage of some cars flying by, as well as a sunset up there. So anyway, thank you.